So in this problem, we need to determine the value of the given trigonometric expression. So let us begin. So here in the numerator, we have the difference of two sine functions, sine of 5a minus sine of angle 7a. And this is added to the sum of another difference of two sine function, which is sine of 8a minus sine of angle 4a. So what we can do here is we can find out the difference by using the transformation formula sine alpha minus sine beta, which is going to transform as a product of a cosine and sine function. Coming to the denominator, here we have cosine of 4a added to cosine of angle 7a. So this is the sum of two cosine function, and then we'll take negative as the common factor. Then we have the sum of next two cosine function, cosine of 5a and cosine of 8a. Fine. So let's try to apply the formula here. So whenever we have the sum of the cosine function, it's going to transform as the product of two cosine function. So we will get in the numerator for sine 5a minus sine 7a, we will have 2 times cosine of angle. So we need alpha plus beta. So that's 5a plus 7a is going to be 12a. So we have 12a over 2. Multiplied to sine of angle. So we have 5a minus 7a. So that's negative 2a over 2. Plus we have sine 8a minus sine 4a. So we have 2 times cosine of angle 8a plus 4a. So that's going to be 12a divided by 2. Multiplied to sine. So we need the difference. So we have 8a minus 4a. So that's going to be 4a. So we have 4a divided by 2. Now coming to the denominator, we have cosine of 4a added to cosine of 7a. So we get 2 times cosine of angle. So 7a plus 4a, that's going to be 11a. So we have 11a over 2. Multiplied to cosine of 4a minus 7a. So that's going to be negative 3a over 2. Fine. Add minus, we have 2 times cosine of angle. So 5a plus 8a. So that's going to be 13a. So we have 13a over 2. Multiplied to cosine of 5a minus 8a. So that's negative 3a over 2. Fine. So this will be equals to, so we have 2 times cosine of angle 6a times sine of angle negative a, plus 2 times cosine of angle 6a multiplied to sine of angle 2a, whole divided by, that we have 2 times cosine of angle 11a over 2 multiplied to cosine of angle negative 3a over 2, negative 3a over 2 minus 2 times cosine of 13a over 2 and cosine of negative 3a over 2. However, we know that our cosine is an even function, meaning cosine of negative theta is cosine of theta, and sine of negative theta, that's equals to negative sine theta, because sine is an odd function. So we can employ this idea, and then we will get negative 2 times cosine of 6a times sine of angle a, plus 2 times cosine of angle 6a multiplied to sine of angle 2a, whole divided by, we have 2 times cosine of angle 11a over 2 multiplied to cosine of 3a over 2, minus 2 times cosine of angle 13a over 2 times cosine of 3a over 2. We can factor out 2 times cosine of 6a in the numerator. So this will get multiplied to sine 2a minus sine a, divided by, we have 2 times cosine of 3a over 2. So this will get multiplied to cosine of 11a over 2 minus cosine of 13a over 2. Fine. Now what we'll do, we will apply the difference of sine function and the difference of cosine function to the formula. So we will get, now we have 2 times cosine of angle 6a multiplied to 2 times cosine of angle, so we have 2a plus a, that's going to be 3a. We have 3a over 2 multiplied to sine of angle, so 2a minus a will be a over 2, divided by, so here we have 2 times cosine of angle 3a over 2 multiplied to, since we have the difference of two cosine function, so this will be negative of 2 times sine of angle. So we need 11a over 2 plus 13a over 2. So let's add them. 11a over 2 plus 13a over 2. So that's going to be 12 6a. So we have 12a over 2 multiplied to sine of angle. So we need alpha minus beta, which is 11a over 2 minus 13a over 2. This is simply going to be equals to negative a. So we have sine negative a over 2. Fine. Again, we can employ the fact that sine is an odd function. So the negative sign will come out and this will become positive. So we have 2 times cosine of angle 6a multiplied to 2 times cosine of angle 3a over 2 times sine of angle a over 2. In the denominator, we have 2 times cosine of angle 3a over 2 times sine. The 2 times sine, 12a over 2 is going to be 6a multiplied to simply sine of angle a over 2. So here we can factor out 4. We can factor out cosine 3a over 2, sine a over 2 from the numerator and the denominator, and that only leaves us with cosine of 6a in the numerator and sine 6a in the denominator. So this ratio is nothing but the cotangent function. So we get cotangent of angle 6a. Therefore, the value of the expression given by sine 5a minus sine 7a plus sine 8a minus sine 4a divided by cosine 4a plus cosine 7a minus cosine 5a minus cosine 8a, this is going to be cotangent of 6a.